Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today we're going to be making some adult s'mores. I like to change recipes here at Deep South, so s'mores is no different from anything else. Those little bland, just s'mores, I had to take them up a notch. Everybody knows the way to make a s'mores where you put down 1 graham cracker, 1 chocolate bar, and 1 just plain old campfire marshmallow, and you put the top on like this. You fold over the tin foil, and we're going to make a kid s'more, regular old s'more. My Adult Homestead S'more uses Ghirardelli, and I know y'all are going to tell me that I'm saying it wrong, but dark chocolate sea salt caramel squares. I used 2 of those. I used the long graham crackers instead of a little short piece. I put 2 of the sea salt chocolates, and I've got the fancy rainbow marshmallows. So we're going to put rainbow marshmallows. I think I'm going to lay them down. Makes it easier. We do the rainbow marshmallows on top of this dark chocolate sea salt caramel s'mores. We're going to put the top on. We're going to fold over this, and then I'm going to show you what we do for Adult Homestead S'mores. And then our Adult S'mores, I use the dark chocolate sea salt, but if you like a different flavor, you could do the dark chocolate raspberry. Any flavors of chocolate would work. I have dark chocolate with blueberries in it. That would be a great way to make adult s'mores. Any adult chocolate added to your graham crackers and marshmallows. You've got to have a roaring fire that gets your wood heater hot. And then we're going to place my s'mores on the top here and let them get hot and melt. Guys, this is an Adult Homestead S'more. Our s'mores are wrapped in tin foil. I'm going to sit them here. The heater's not like overly hot, so we're not into the hot stage. We're still in the high 40s, low 50s outside, so it's not like we need a massive fire. So we're going to let these go for a little bit, and we'll have s'mores. Best way to make s'mores when you're not sitting around a campfire. I have just removed my s'mores from the fire. We're going to open them up, see what they look like. I almost burnt my s'more. That's one thing you're going to have to work on. I forgot to flip them. So this one's going to be a little bit toasty. Ah, the ooey gooeyness of this one. Alright, this one too. I forgot to flip them when I should have, but you see the ooey goodness. It's melted. All that prettiness. Okay guys, so I have my s'mores. This is my adult s'mores. Doesn't that look awesome? I let it get a little bit worse on bottom. I forgot to flip it. I was busy. Guys, you can't beat an adult s'more. I'm going to have to get off camera to eat this because you know a s'more is really, really something good. So try the Adult Homestead S'mores. Let your kids try them. They'll love them too. So guys, anytime you have a fire going, you have marshmallows, some type of chocolate, and graham crackers, make a s'mores. Make an adult s'mores if you have some good chocolate. Thank you guys from Crazy Days. Check out my Homestead S'more Maker.